Hey everybody, it's Vincent with Motorcycle Mover, and today I have entered what I believe is heaven on earth here with Trevor at what is going to be the first MV Agusta flagship store in North America. It is located at the former location of Moto Club. As many of you know, they are relocating to Culver City. And this is going to become the MV Agusta USA flagship store, a standalone dealership that will sell nothing but my pride and joy, the MV Agusta. As everyone knows, I ride a Brutale, and I've been an MV Agusta fanatic since I was a kid, which was quite a while ago. As a matter of fact, Giacomo Agostini was still racing when I was a young kid, and MV Agusta was practically a mythical brand. And they've gone through many changes, but their current relationship with KTM, I think, is going to see them have a very, very fruitful and very, very positive future, and I'm really excited for it. A couple of years ago, I was communicating with the MV Agusta flagship store in Monaco about putting together a custom Brutale for me, but the MV Agusta flagship store in Monaco closed, but that's okay because now I can do that bike right up the street from my house at the MV Agusta flagship store here in Santa Monica. Come visit, everybody. Have a great day and ride safe.